Hello, just setting up the grass catcher here. Last year I lost my grass catcher bags, so I needed a substitute, and I found the lawnmower leaf bag on Amazon. And I was hoping that would work as a good replacement because those little grass catcher bags don't work so well trying to gather up all the leaves in my yard. I have about 3/4 of an acre and a lot of trees. So all you have to do is cinch up the bag to the back of your grass catcher hoppers. Really easy. And then there it goes. Picking up all the leaves. It pretty much takes what would have been a 3-hour job down to about 30 minutes. See how behind the lawnmower all the leaves get sucked up into that big bag. Let's be careful of sticks in the yard. And then we go to the village compost pile and drop off the leaves. That's about it.